Key point 1. Key point 1. Key point 1. Square root of a perfect square. How to find out the square root of a perfect square? How to find out the square root of a perfect square? Square root of a perfect square. Here, key point 2. Key point 2. Already we discussed it in my shortcut video, but however I explain this, you can go back and see the approximation video. How to find out the square root of a non-perfect square. How to find out the square root of a non-perfect square. Key point 1 and key point 2. What are the most important concepts with respect to a perfect square? A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. And the next important point, if the number is a perfect square, the digital sum of a perfect square is always 1, 4, 7 or 9. The digital sum of a perfect square, it is always 1, 4, 7 or 9. The next key point, if a perfect square it is there, tens place will be odd. Tens place will be odd only when the units place it is 6. Any perfect square ending with 6, any perfect square ending with 6, tens place will be odd. Any perfect square, tens place will be odd. If the number is a perfect square, units place will be 6. Already we have discussed the proof behind it. And another important note, once you understand these key points, then solving is very, very easy. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square. I am just doing a revision of where we completed session number 2. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square has the same last 2 digits. I am going to use this concept to solve this problem. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square has the same last 2 digits. Has same last 2 digits. Listen carefully to 3 to 4 examples. 3 to 4 examples. First question, square root of 2916. Square root of 2916. We are taking the numbers which are perfect squares. If a number is a perfect square, digital sum will be 1, 4, 7 or 9. 2 plus 9, 11, 12, 16, plus 6, 18. 18 it is 9. I need to find out the square root of 2916. Step number 1. Step number 1. Listen carefully, sir. Start from the right hand side. Keep a slash after 2 digits. Keep on keeping a slash after 2 digits. If I need to find out the square root of a number, how to find out the number of digits in the answer? Start from the right hand side. Keep a slash after 2 digits. I kept a slash after 2 digits. So how many groups of maximum 2 digits are there? 16 it is a 2 digit format. 29 it is a 2 digit format. Answer will have 2 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. Gone are the days where he is asking you the square root of this number. Very recently in some management examination, he has asked how many digits are there in the answer. How many digits are there in the answer? For example, I will take this space and I will create some more questions so that it will be easy for you to understand. Suppose if the question is square root of 10404. Square root of 10404. How many digits are there in this answer? How many digits are there in this answer? How to find out the number of digits in a perfect square? How to find out the number of digits in a perfect square? Start from RHS. Keep a slash after 2 digits. Keep a slash after 2 digits. If there is a single digit, you can prefix it with 0. It will become a 2-digit number. 04 is one group of 2 digits. 04 is another group of 2 digits. 1 can be written as 01. Answer will have how many digits? 3 digits. Again, I am repeating. It's an extremely important learning. Start from RHS. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits for a cube root. If it is a square root, take a group of 2 digits. If it is a fourth root, take a group of 4 digits. Write down in your notes. If I want to find the number of digits in an nth perfect power, whether it is perfect square, if it is perfect square, start from right hand side, take a group of 2 digits and keep on moving from RHS to LHS. If it is a perfect cube, take a group of 3 digits, move it from RHS to LHS. So answer will be 3 digits. Suppose if the question is square root of 9801, 9801, take a group of 2 digits. So here it is 1, here it is 1. Answer will have 2 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. I hope it is clear. Step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 1. We found out the number of digits. We found the number of digits. We found the number of digits in step number 2. In step number 2. Now what we'll do is, what are the last 2 digits of the number? 16. Only see the last 2 digits. If I see the last 2 digits, it is 16. What is the smallest perfect square? On square, I'll get 16. 4 square, it is 16. 4 square, it is 16. I hope it is clear. Now, if 4 square, it is 16. What are the other numbers? 50 plus 4 square. 50 minus 4 square. 50 square is 2500. 2916 will be greater than 2500. Answer will definitely be 54. Yes, we got 2 digits. Answer for this question is 54. Again, I am repeating. Square root of 2916. What are the last 2 digits? 16. What is the smallest natural number? On square, I will get 16. 4 square, it is 16. Then use this logic. 50 plus 4, 50 minus 4. I cannot take 50 minus 4 because 50 square is 2500. Given number is greater than 2500. 54. Suppose next question is square root of 3721. Once you understand, all these logics are very, very easy. Square root of 3721. What are the last 2 digits of this number? 21. Last 2 digits of this number is 21. What is the smallest natural number? On square, I will get 21. 11 square is 121. 11 square is 121. How will you find out the smallest natural number? It is ending with 1. Which number on square ending with 1? 1 square 1, 9 square 81, 11 square 121. 11 square 121. What will be the next logic? 50 plus 11, 61 square. 61 square will be square 3721. You don't need to use the cases of 1 or 9, 61 or 69. You don't need to use that cases. You don't need to use that cases. I hope it is clear. It is a very beautiful way of solving how to find out the square root of a perfect square using the last 2 digits. Square root of 9801. Last 2 digits, it is 01. 1 square, it is 01. 1 square, it is 01. 50 plus 1, it is 51 square. 2601. I want the number closer to 10,000. So 100 minus 1. 99 square. Answer for this question will be 199. Answer for this question will be 199. 10404. What are the last 2 digits of a number? 2 square. 2 square, it is 04. This number is greater than 10,000. So 100 plus 2 square. So answer is 102. Answer will be 102. Just by looking at the question, by using the last 2 digits, you will get the answer. Again, I am repeating. Square root of 9801. What are the last 2 digits? On square, I will get 01. 1 square, it is 1. 1 can be written as 01. If x value, it is 1. 100 minus 1, 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1, 101 square. 101 square is 10201. It is exceeding. So answer is 100 minus 1, 99. Like that, you can create a lot of examples, sir. Suppose the question is square root of 2304. 82. Square root of square root of 7744. Another two examples. Square root of 7744. Let us do these two questions without even using pen on the paper. Once you are comfortable with the last two digits, the logic will be very, very easy. Square root of 2304. What are the last two digits? It is 04. Which number on square I'll get 04? 2 square, it is 04. 50 minus 2, 48 square. Answer is 48. Answer is 48. Idea clear? 50 plus 2 will become 52 square. 50 square is 2500. The given number 2300 is less than 2500. Next one, square root of 7744. What are the last two digits? 44. 12 square, it is 144. 12 square, 144. 50 plus 12. 62 square. One logic. Next one, 50 minus 12, 38 square. 100 minus 12, it is 88 square. Just by looking at a question, I can say that 88 square is greater than 85 square. 85 square is 7225. 7744 is greater than 7225. So answer is 88. These both cannot be the answer. These both cannot be the answer. Very, very important slide which talks about how to find out the number of digits for a perfect square. Number of digits for a non-perfect square. That will keep on square root of 13. It will be a recurring value. It will be not be a rational number. It will be an irrational number. It will be an irrational number. It will be an irrational number. So now see here, square root of a non-perfect square. I hope this idea it is clear. This I already explained, but I'll give you an idea. Two ways of solving the question. Suppose I need to find out square root of 13. I need to find out square root of 13. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It is ending with 3. So therefore it is a non-perfect square. Root 13 lies between which two perfect squares? Root 9 and root 16. Root 9 and root 16. Answer, root 13 is greater than root 9. Answer will be 3 plus. 13, 9, difference is 4. 16, 9, difference is 7. So answer is very, very close to 3, 4 by 7. A non-perfect square always gives an approximate value. A non-perfect square will never give an exact value. A perfect square gives an exact value. Non-perfect square gives an approximate value. Non-perfect square gives an approximate value. Suppose if it is, for example, 46. Square root of 46. Square root of 46. What is the definition of a perfect square? Any perfect square, if the units place is 6, tens place has to be odd. If the number is a perfect square, if the units place is 6, tens place has to be odd. 4 is an even number. Root 46 lies between which two perfect squares? Root 36 and root 49. Answer, root 46 is greater than root 36. 6 plus 46, 36. Difference is 10. 49, 36. Difference is 13. 6, 10 by 13. Most of you might have done in your intermediate, that is plus 1 or plus 2. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. For this, please go to Anil Nair classes YouTube channel. There is a wonderful video which I got a lot of appreciation from the foreign university professors in terms of this concept. How to find out the approximate value for an nth root non-perfect powers. You should definitely see it. You will see the proof behind this concept. Almost 40 minutes I have kept a concept on this one. This one video which has given me a lot of appreciatory mails from some of the finest mathematical professors all over the world. Key point number 1 and key point number 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Square root, how to find out the square root of a perfect square. Next one. This is square root, sir. This is square root. Root of 82 81. Square root of 82, 81. Keep a slash after 2 digits. 81. 9 square, it is 81. So 100 minus 9. 100 minus 9 is 91 square. 91 square will be 82, 81. Answer will be 91. Square root of 82, 81 will be 91. Square root of 82, 81 will be 91. I hope the idea it is clear. We did the square root of a perfect square. We did the square root of a non-perfect square. Square root of a non-perfect square. Now, how to find out the cube root of a, how to find out the cube root of a perfect cube? How to find out the cube root of a perfect cube? How to find out the cube root of a perfect cube? It's a very, very easy logic, sir. How to find out the cube root of a perfect cube? Before we discuss the cube root of a perfect cube, let us first discuss how to find out the number of digits of a perfect cube. Suppose cube root of 2744, cube root of 13824, cube root of 106 1208, 106 1208, cube the root of 1012 048 064. Let us find the number of digits for these perfect cube. Let us find the number of digits for this perfect cube. Cube the root of 2744, cube the root of 13824, cube the root of 1061208, cube the root of 1012 048 064, 048 064. Another important learning, sir. Very, very important key point. Very, very important key point. Now, if I see the digital sum, what do you mean by the digital sum? Digital sum is defined as sum of the digits until you get a single digit number. What are all the single digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Digital sum is defined as sum of the digits until you get a single digit number. These are all the possible digital sum of every natural number. A natural number, you take any natural number, add it till you get a single digit number that lies in any one of these numbers, because any single digit you cannot have 0. If you are getting 0, digital sum cannot be 0. It is 0 when you divide by 9. That is the divisibility rule. Now, there is a subtle difference between digital sum and digital root. In India, we use digital root, but we call it as a digital sum. Digital sum, it is sum of the digits. That's all. Digital root, keep on doing digital sum till you get a single digit number. Digital root is the recursive process of digital sum. Digital sum means add the digits. That's all. It could be, it can result in a single digit number or a 2 digit number or a 3 digit number. For example, 387. Digital sum, it is 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Digital root, keep on doing it until you get a single digit number. But in India, we use digital root, but we call it as a digital sum. Digital root is the recursive process of digital sum. Digital root is the recursive process of digital sum. You can type in Wikipedia the definition of digital sum and digital root to know it. Many of the teachers use digital sum but implement as a digital root. They use it as synonyms. So, which is absolutely fine. Now, let us come back to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cube it. 1 cube, it is 1. All the numbers whose digital sum is 1, I am cubing it. 2 cube, it is 8. 3 cube, 27, 9. 4 cube, 64, 1. 5 cube, 125, 8. 6 cube, 216, 9. 7 cube, 343. 3 plus 4 plus 3, 1. 8 cube, 512, it is 8. 5 12 8, 9 cube 729, it is 9. So these are the cubes of all the possible digital sums. Any number digital sum can be from 1 to 9. Any number digital sum can be from 1 to 9. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. What are all the possible digital sums which we got? 1, 8 and 9. Very, very important key point. If the number is a perfect cube, if the number is a perfect cube, its digital sum will be 1, 8 or 9. If a number is a perfect cube, the digital sum will be 1, 8 or 9. The digital sum of that number will be 1, 8 or 9. Check any number, use a digital sum, which is a digital root. We are using it as synonyms. Use the digital sum. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 it is 8. It is a perfect cube. 8 plus 1, 9, you can omit it. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9, 18, which is 9. 6 plus 1 plus 2, you can omit it. 1 plus 8, it is 9. 8 plus 1, it is 9. 4 plus 6, 10, 14, 16, 17. 17, it is 8. If the number is a perfect cube, the digital sum should be 1, 8 or 9. If the number has got a digital sum 1, 8 or 9, then the number may or may not be perfect cube. For you to succeed in life, you have to have a burning desire to achieve that one. You have to be extremely focused and you have to do hard work. If you do all this, success will follow you. For you to become successful, there are a lot of ways. If you do good things, the good will come back to you. If you do right, for you to become successful in life, there are good ways, bad ways, ugly ways, immoral ways and everything. But if you are living a life with a lot of core values, if not today, tomorrow, right, the good things will come back to you, which we call it as law of karma or law of attraction. Now see here, if a number is a perfect cube, digital sum will be 1, 8 or 9. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. How to find out the number of digits? Already we discussed. For you to find the number of digits, if it is a perfect cube, keep a slash after 3 digits. 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 This is which number we have taken? 100 plus these 106, 1208. I think this is the number which we have taken. So take a group after 3 digits. 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 Move from right hand side to left hand side. Right hand side to left hand side. How many groups of maximum 3 digits are there? 745 is a group of 3 digits. 2 can be written as 002. So it is a slash. If a single digit is there, you can write it as a group of 3. 824, it is a group of 3 digits. 13013, it is a group of 3 digits. If this question is asked in your examination, how many digits are there in the answer, right? So especially the numbers which are nearer to 10 power k plus or minus 1, 99 cube, 101 cube, there will be a subtle confusion. So 1, 2, 3. If the number of digits are less than 3, you can always prefix 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer will have 4 digits. Answer will have 4 digits. I hope the idea it is clear. Here 1, 2, 3. Answer will have 3 digits. Answer will have 3 digits. How to find out the number of digits in a perfect cube? Even if it is 4th power it is given, 5th power it is given, you can use this logic. You can use this logic. I hope it is clear. So next one. Now see here. 2744. What is the number on cube? I will get to 4. What is the concept that we discussed? A perfect square. A perfect square. A perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Only these numbers on cube I will get different numbers. Remaining all the numbers, unit digit will be same. 2 cube it is 8. 3 cube it is 27. 7 cube it is 343. This is the tens complement of this number. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 3, 7. 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 8, 2. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Only 2, 3, 7 or 8 on cube. Only 2, 3, 7 or 8 on cube. I will get another number which is the tens complement of this number. Which is the tens complement of this number. Suppose if the question is x7 power 3, it is equivalent to 3. How many values x are x a power 3, or we will write down the question as a cube it is ending with 3. A cube it is ending with 3. A cube it is ending with 3. How many 2-digit numbers a can take? How many 2-digit numbers a can take? If this is 3, a will be the tens complement of the final answer. What is the 10 minus 3? 7. So a can be 7. A can be 17. A can be 27. A can be 97. So 1 to 9, total 9 values A can take. I hope the idea it is clear. A cube it is ending with 3. A cube it is ending with 3. A perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Only 2, 3, 7 or 8 on cube. On cube I will get 8, 7, 3 or 2. So if it is ending with 3, the unit digit has to be 10 minus 3, 7. That means A will be 7. A cannot be, not only be 7. Tens place can range from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 17 to 97. 2-digit values A can take are 9. I hope the idea it is clear. Once you know a concept, you can create a lot of questions based on this. You can create a lot of questions based on this. Now, if you see here, so 4 means it is 4. 4 means it is 4. If it is 4, it will be 4. If it is 8, 8 means 8 unit digit in the answer. Unit digit in the question will be 2. Question will be 2. I hope it is clear. In the question it will be 2. If it is 4, 4 means it will always be 4. I hope the idea it is clear. I will take a new slide and I will show you a different view altogether. Cube the root of 2744. Cube the root of 2744. Listen carefully, sir. In case if you are stuck also, there are various ways where you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. Cube the root of 2744. Because it is cube the root, I kept a slash after 3 digits. I kept a slash after 3 digits. 4. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. If I cube this number, it will always have 2, 3, 7 or 8 from bottom to top. Bottom to top, 2, 3, 7 or 8. If you are getting these answers, the question unit digit will be 10 minus. So, if it is 4, this will be 4. This will be 4. Are you all with me? This will be 4. These 2 lies between which 2 numbers? 1 cube it is 1 and 2 cube it is 8. 1 cube 1 and 2 cube 8. What is the smallest number? Smallest number, take it. Answer will be 14. Answer will be 14. Answer will be 14. Hey Anil sir, why you took the smallest number? If I take, suppose coincidentally, I took it as 24. How to check and prove that 24 is incorrect? How to check and prove that 24 is incorrect? Cube it on both the sides. 2744 equivalent to 24 whole cube. 24 whole cube is 24 into 24 into 24. Anyway, 24 power odd number. 24 power odd number. Last 2 digits it is 24. 24 power odd number. Last 2 digits it is always 24. Last 2 digits it is always 24. So last 2 digits here it is 44. Here it is 44. Therefore 24 cannot be the answer. Therefore 24 cannot be the answer. Assume it is not a 4-digit number. It is a 5-digit number, 6-digit number ending with 44. Sir, why 34 cannot be? For example, cube the root of 2744. Sir, please tell me why 34 it cannot be. One is by using digital sum, you can cross check and do it. Everybody knew it. When you are listening to my class, you are listening to a different view altogether. So it is 2744 equivalent to 34 whole cube. 34 whole cube is 34 into 34 into 34. 34 into 34 is 34 square. It is 50 minus 16 square. Last two digits is 16 square. 16 square is 256. Are you all with me? So 56 into 34. 56 into 34. Are you all with me? 56 into 34. Now what you can do is, either you can do generic multiplication or probably 56 into 2 into 17 you can do. What is 56 2s are 112. 12 into 17. 12 into 17. 12 17s are, it is 04. Are the digit last two digits matching? Last two digits are not matching. Last two digits are not matching. I hope the idea it is clear. How simply I found out the last two digits without even multiplying. 56 into 34. 56 into 2 into 17. 56 2s are 112. 12 into 17. 12 into 17 it is 04. But what are the last two digits of the left hand side? 44. Especially it is useful if the number of digits are not 4. If it is 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, you can cross check it out. I hope this idea it is clear. This we call it as left to right. It is one approach. Right to left another approach. Or simply you can do by using the digital sum. One more problem which we will do it.